Oh, here's the first look at the blizzard of 2016 out here in the garage with JG sitting here. The radiator all heated up there. So my welding gloves will have a place to dry when I'm done plowing all this. Snow blowing all this. This is just the beginning of the driveway. That's a lot of driveway. And that's just the back part. There's still about 3 times that to go from here. So yeah, it'll be a fun day. The gentleman janitor has been keeping the garage in the mid-70s here for the past 2 days. Yeah, haven't been out since Friday afternoon. Got the cub all ready with the plow, and got the snow blower all gassed up and oiled up. Time to go to work. Round 1 complete. I bet this roof isn't designed for that snow load, huh? Well, the good thing is the chimneys are still up. Poor truck. Yep, EFM's cranking away in here. Fire view door in full operation. Radiator's trying to dry the welding gloves. Truck buried. Hope the roof holds up. Yeah, got a ways to go in this driveway. This is just the beginning. Gotta get down there somewhere. Update on the blizzards of 16 here. While I was out snow blowing, the gentleman janitor with the EFM in it kind of got low on coal. Ran out. The auger was just spinning in there doing nothing. So what I did was fill the barrel up actually, but the fire was way down there, so I had a bunch of pea coal in a barrel here. And I just loaded it up with pea coal. It's just taking off now. Pretty neat. That ought to keep it going until the rice coal arrives. Made some progress on the snow. This is my little snow blower here. Still have to get into my basement. That's the basement entrance there. Need to get down there to the baromatic so I can get the ashes out of it. Probably throw some of the ashes on the driveway. Got the back part of the driveway about done. Probably get the snow plow some. And out where it meets the paved part of the driveway, I got over to the hill. Next will be the push down the hill. That'll take some doing. It's out there somewhere. Well, done clearing snow for today. Didn't get to use the plow yet, but I got most of the snow blowing done. And man, I'm still covered with it. I'm really glad to have a radiator now. That's a great place to put your gloves and hats. And I think I'm gonna put my jacket on a hanger right above it too. Well, tomorrow's another day. I got down to the road, but still need a little bit more work. I hope my roof don't cave in. There's a lot of snow up there, man. Truck's still buried. I guess that'll have to wait till tomorrow or spring, whichever comes first.